Every year we announce at the region conferences, every year we announce the #1 award in National Right to Your Congressman. We announce it at all the region conferences so everybody can hear who the winner was. It's only one person that wins this award every year. This is the David Ann Adamson Award. And it is a very, very special award. Joel Devendorf is the recipient of the David Ann Adamson Award. He's had that. Webster has received, Webster Barnaby has received, Ron Klutz has received this award. One person a year wins this. And this is a combination of a lot of things. This is not, again, this is not all about sales. It's not all about all the different titles and the different successes that we have in the field. It's a combination of that hard work, hard effort, consistent day in, day out, and more than that, the essence of who David Adamson was, the culture, the mission and the cause, who David was as a person, the person that fits that the company sits down. This is a big deal. They really sit down, they really think about this, and we announce every year at the region conferences who that winner is. And I'm going to ask that the dean announce the winner of the David Ann Adamson Award for 2010.
Just want to say, kind of reiterate, one person in the whole nation gets this every year. One person. And it does exemplify the qualities of God, family, and country. And they also present this to the members, not only to us, people here in the meeting with the office, they also do with our members that we have, the people that they introduce National Right to Your Congressman to. And this year is, can be the envelope please.
Drum roll.
If Gail would bring Jim up here, we would appreciate it.
All right.
The highest award at National Right to Your Congressman. You know why I say it's the highest award? Because David was all about being a salesman in the field. And this meant more to him than anything, to honor the top professional salesperson that exemplifies that God, family, country, everything that we stand for, everything that we do, everything that we believe in. And Jim, this is definitely what he's in.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. Humble brothers. Thank you.
I'll get a few of those. Take it a long way.
Yeah.